Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been a little MIA, but I promise I'm coming back. Today I was getting ready with some new goodies that I got at Target. I got a chance to go to Target all by myself the other day, and I had a grand old time in the beauty department and aisle. And so yeah, I thought I would share with you guys what I got, some of the new stuff, and then just get ready with you today. So I ran to Target to pick up some shampoo and conditioner. I got the Rose shampoo and conditioner by Pacifica, and I also picked up this Love Beauty and Planet coconut milk and Jasmine, which smells amazing. So I'm going to test those two out for the summertime. So I popped into the shower really quick to shampoo and condition my hair, and then I was just using some Castile soap all over my body. I've been keeping it really simple in terms of body wash. Then I picked up this Dreamy Youth Pacifica lotion, and I'm also using my rose oil that I use on a regular basis after I get out of the shower. I'm actually mixing these two together, which I will often do, especially if I really need the hydration, if my skin is feeling really dry, which I am outside a lot, so my feet and my skin, they do feel dry, and I really try to focus on moisturizing after every shower, and that's something I talk about a lot on my channel. But I picked up this new lotion by Pacifica. I also grabbed some of their kind of fun facial treatments, the Rose and Peptide facial mask. This is a sheet mask. I decided to try it out, so I picked this one up, and I'm going to go ahead and use that. They also had these really fun, they were more targeted masks, if you will, for like frown lines or around the mouth. So I decided to just kind of plop those on my face, and I had a little time to enjoy some extra facial treatments. Sheet masks are typically soaked in like a serum type of consistency, so I like to bring that all the way down my neck and put it on my lips. And then this was the Rose Stem Cell targeted face masks. These were cool. I thought that they were kind of interesting. I guess if you don't want to use a mask all over your entire face, you could just target certain areas that are maybe a little bit more dry, or areas that you're noticing fine lines and wrinkles, so around the frown lines or around the laugh lines. But it only came with two, so I guess you could put one on either side of your lips for your smile lines, or maybe just use one at a time and put the other one in the refrigerator. This was my first time using these, so I might experiment with these again. I thought it was kind of funny to do like targeted face masks, I guess, if you will, like sheet masks. This is the first time I ever saw something like that. Plus I thought they were pretty, and I'm kind of a sucker for pretty packaging. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave the one on my forehead while I blow dry my hair. And I got the Pacifica Tahitian Gardenia body and hair perfume. Again, this was something that I really wanted to test out for the summer months. My all-time favorite scents are Jasmine, Gardenia, and Orange Blossom, which are all things I try to grow in the garden because I love the natural smell. But yeah, I wanted to try this, and it smells really nice. And they do have pretty clean ingredients for Pacifica, so I'm spraying that in my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. Anytime I wash my hair and I want to blow dry it and not let it dry naturally, I use my Dyson hair blow dryer. I pretty much only use this attachment, so I have to be honest, but I use it very, very, very consistently. So I know I did a review on it. I still use it all the time because it's the quickest and nicest blow dry, especially since I don't have a whole lot of time to get ready on the regular. I like that I can just brush my hair dry pretty much. So I will blow dry my hair probably about, I don't know, 70% of the way, and then I will start putting on some makeup, which on an everyday basis it's pretty minimal, and I've shared my makeup routine on my channel, it feels like thousands of times, but I'll just share with you guys which products I'm using at the moment, and also how I do my makeup on days that I do want to wear makeup. So again, not sponsored, just a fan. I have been using the Pacifica Ultra CC Cream for the last few months now. I picked this one up at Whole Foods. I've been combining this with a product by Dr. Lancer called Danny. This is a slightly tinted moisturizer with a little bit of shimmer, just like ever so slight. So I mix the two together because the CC Cream is rather matte. You're not going to really be able to see, it's very, very subtle, but if you can see here, it's just pretty much the same color as my skin tone, and I use the combination simply to kind of just brighten my skin, give my skin a glow, and also even out my skin tone. And then I usually apply it with my hands. I don't prefer to apply it with a beauty blender just because I feel like the beauty blender kind of absorbs a lot of product, but I like to use my beauty blender to just kind of even out all of the CC cream and the Danny tinted moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and even that out with the new beauty blender. I just got this beauty blender. It's a pink swirl, which I think was a collaboration with Erica Jane, and I really like her, so I thought that was a really fun collaboration, so I decided to get the swirl one this time. I'm using some HD concealer by Makeup Forever. And then again, I'm using my beauty blender to blend that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put my mascara on. I'm gonna use some clear gel on my brows, a little bit of Tarte blush. And then I like to use a really, really light lip balm that just has a little tint to it. Maybe a shade or two darker than my natural lip. Just to keep the look very, very simple. YSL recently sent me a few of these kind of new lip balms. They're plumping balms to try out, and they're really beautiful. I actually gave a few of them away on my Instagram page. There was a few colors that I decided to give away rather than keeping, but this was one of the colors that I kept, and I use it a lot, and it's a really nice silky consistency. I used to love testing out all the YSL lipsticks when I would be working at Sephora when I was a vendor, and they always had such really pretty silky lipsticks. So that one's really pretty, and I'll reach for that a lot. There's different ones that I like, but this one was really nice because it was just enough like of a tint that I really look for in a lip balm. Around my face, I have a few curls and things that I just like to come in with my flat iron and straighten and clean up a little bit. And then I decided to paint my nails, which I have not painted my nails. It has been months. I haven't had nail polish on my hands or feet for a while, but I picked up Wicked by Essie, which I know is not a summer color, but I do love the super dark nail polish color. So I decided to paint my nails. I really love Essie nail polish because it has a really nice finish. Some nail polishes, they just don't dry very well at all, but this one does. So I'm doing the best I can to paint my nails as quickly as possible and let them dry, and then get on with my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are kind of an ode to my old school YouTube videos where I did getting ready videos, but it's always fun to share kind of the new things that I'm finding or using. I've been filming a few videos for you guys, so I'm excited to share those coming up soon. And if you have specific requests that you want to see from me, be sure to leave those in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video coming soon. Bye.